Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Market Minute Update. I want to give you an update on what's happening in the real estate market here in Orange County and the greater LA area. So I want to start off with a huge sale that happened and it took place last week. There was a house in Bel Air that sold for $94 million. Now, how does this affect you? And by the way, this $94 million sale was not the highest one of this year. There was another Malibu compound that closed for $100 million, and there was another house in LA estate, obviously, that closed for about $120 million earlier this year. So, how do these high price point sales affect you or me? They just signal confidence in the market. These billionaires that are buying these properties know a thing or two, and it just shows how they're confident about the market. So this should just make you feel good. It doesn't affect your experience day to day, but it's just overall confidence in the market is really strong. So that's one thing. Now, on a smaller level, what's happening here in Orange County? So business as usual, inventory is going down because it's the end of the year. People that haven't sold their houses kind of give up at this point. There's less buyers also out there. But here's a piece of advice if you're a buyer and if you're a seller. If you're a buyer, I think there's no better time because the interest rates are dirt cheap, and at this point you can really get good deals in the market. And forget about price. Just think of your mortgage in terms of the interest rate that you're getting. It's going to be a steal. So for buyers, I would say focus now, because from beginning of November until mid-January, that's when most buyers don't go out, don't look at houses, so there's less competition there. That's for buyers. Now for sellers, I hear lots of sellers when we talk, they're like, yes, we're thinking of selling, but we want to wait until the spring or summer market of next year, because then that's the best time to sell. That could be the case, but here's the other thing to think about. There are less sales that happen during December, January months, and November, but because there are less buyers out there. But the buyers that are going out in November and December looking at properties are really serious buyers. And you're going to be dealing with less competition because there are less homes on the market. So if your home stands out at this time of year, the likelihood of you getting a very good sale and very good terms, not just the price, but the terms also, are going to be very high. So this is just something to keep in mind if you are thinking of selling. And then we'd like to talk to you either way. If you're thinking of buying or selling in any in the coming weeks or months, reach out to us and let's see how we can help you. Thank you and have a good day.